What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Rampage Manor channel. And today, as you can tell, we're doing a little something different. My first unboxing. Now, even though you think this probably is my first Elite controller, it's not. It's actually my second. I was forced to buy another. But today we're doing an unboxing. I'll show you how to set it up on your Xbox, and I'll go over the extra pieces that go with it, if you're here for that. Otherwise, you're here to chill. But without further ado, let's open this bad boy up. So, now you just gotta rip off the plastic. I should have already done that because it just looks not clean. It's dirty. So, what had happened was this. Since this is my second beat, this is also, by the way, the Xbox Elite Series 2, not the Series 1. This isn't an older video. This is an older controller. This is brand new, top of the line, fresh from Microsoft controller. And just to prove that I have another one, here is my first. This is the first one. This is also a Series 2. Now you're wondering, why would I buy another one? These are pretty expensive. First, to go off with the price, if you do get a good controller the first time, it's really worth the money. I think it could compete with PC mouse, mouse and keyboard players. Because you got the option to throw in these bad boy paddles on. Yeah, I only use 3. I mainly use it for Call of Duty, but I know at first I did try it on Fortnite and it worked really well. So you got this, But what they don't tell you is, let's see. I can't tell. We'll go over it, and then the new controller. Right here, these flip switches is to control how sensitive your triggers are. So how easy, see, they're pretty tight, But if you loosen it, soft, it's quick. So I always have it on top. But you can't really tell, but right here, my triggers right there are like needles. Because apparently they're covered with a soft cushion when you first get it, which I'll show you on this one. So every time I'm playing, I'm getting stabbed by this. And also to top it off, for some reason, the left side of my controller right here, this bad boy, my left stick doesn't work sometimes. So I'm going to have to contact Microsoft about it. Obviously, you get a warranty for buying such of a expensive piece of equipment, but to me, it's still worth the price. You get so much with it. You get 4 paddles. I'll go over everything. We're going to go over everything, but just to let you guys know, that's why I bought another one. Because this one came with some issues. So, without further ado, let's get it. Well, without further ado twice, let's get right into this one, huh? Alright. Alright. Just gently into the box. You got one on the bottom side too, right here. Now. Ba-boom. Look at that. Look at that. Look how clean that looks, just how it's in that pouch. Yes. As you can tell, your controller comes with a carrying case. And in this carrying case, just look at that. It just looks so clean like that. I don't know why. Don't judge me. But in this carrying case, I'd show it to you guys like this. So I'm going to do everything in reverse, so it might mess me up. So boom. Okay. So this is the brand new controller. Look, you'll see right here. See the difference? There's like these soft little cushion on these hairpin tabs now. Yeah. Don't take those off. The issue is I didn't know they were there and I didn't know they came off. So while I was playing, apparently I might have been playing with them by accident. They fell off. And pretty a little bit of a stabby. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's that bad boy right there. And in the carrying case right here, you have a cloth right there. This right here is a charger for your controller, which is, you can't tell, but everything in this is magnetic. Everything connects by magnets, which is pretty dope. So you have your wire, you plug it in right there into your charging kit, and you set your controller on these little pins. So, here we go. I don't like this directional pad. And if you're wondering how you take it off, simple. Since it's by magnets, little force picks it up. Little force goes a long way with this, just to let you guys know. So I feel like this directional pad, this one is mostly good for one-on-one like fighting games, like your Street Fighter, your Tekken. You know, that to me, that's what that directional pad is for. I don't use it, so I switch it out for the normal directional pad right here. So I'm gonna do it with the way you guys watch it. Look, it literally just it did it itself. That's magnet. If you want to change your analog sticks, they're right here. These, same thing, pop right off. They just pop right on and off. Just to let you guys know. So you don't have to go a lot of force, you don't have to do much, but that's what it does. Now, some things a lot of people don't know is if you look closely, if it'll focus. In here, right there, there is, I want to say like a cross shape inside there. That is how you change the tension in your analog sticks. And what you'll do, they gave you the tool to change it. This right here is found in the center of your setup, right here. It's found right there. And you'll use this little tip right there, and you'll put it in there, and you twist. You twist it which way you want to go. Just to let you guys know, it does a click. It'll do a click every time you go to twist it to a new setting. I always go mid. I think as it comes as default, it's at its loosest sensitivity. So, and again, it takes a little bit of pressure to move it. Just a little. So the tighter you make the tension in your joysticks, the harder you're gonna have to push to get what you want. So I go mid because I don't like it. Don't like it too soft. Don't like it too hard. No homo. Don't judge me for that. But that's basically it. That's how you change the tension in your controller. So I have mine set on mid. Next. So, next thing, next. This is how you set it up on your Xbox to make it so the paddles on the back right here, they give you 4 paddles. By the way, just to go over this real quick too, they just come right out. A little bit of pressure, again, goes a long way. You just gotta push them forward and pull straight out. Same way to go back in. Everything's run by magnets on this, which I think is clever. Boom. Alright, that easy. So now we'll go over your paddles to make it easy for you, or how to customize your controller in general, because I do like that you can actually change whatever button you want it to be. Like, so if you don't want to use left analog stick and you want it to be a different button, you could customize it. So we'll see that right now. I'll show you guys right now. Okay, so here we are. This is me just plugging my controller into the Xbox for the first time. As you can tell, your controller needs an update. That's normal. Most controllers, brand new, out of the box, need an update. So all you do is update controller. That's it. It's easy. It'll update, does everything on its own. It's quick. Doesn't take too long. So yes, obviously, connect one controller with a USB cable. Keep and yep. So there we go. Also, while we're waiting, just to let you guys know, if you're like, where's the cord? Does this not come with a cord? If you pull out the back, where you get the carrying case from. So the carrying case side, you pull that piece of black cardboard out. Backside of that, there is another little slender black cardboard box. That holds your USB cord to your controller. So, there's also a couple manuals back there if you want to give it a look. But, since you're here, I'm assuming you figured that out. You're trying to figure everything else out. So, while you're also here, make sure you click that subscribe button to the channel. Maybe hit the like. Maybe leave a comment if you have any questions. But, I hope you're enjoying this so far, and I hope it's helping. Because my first controller was an issue because I didn't know what I was doing. And that's what YouTube's here for, to show us what we're not doing right. I just noticed, I didn't really go over it, and you're not really going to get the grasp unless you're looking at it. So, controller again. You have the option to create 3 profiles on one controller. So that means you can have different button layouts for 3 different profiles. So if you have Fortnite on one, Call of Duty on another, maybe you play Apex. So all the buttons are different. So if you want your paddle set up differently, that is perfect for the profiles. So that means your paddles don't have to be the same thing on all 3. They can be different on all 3, which is great because it really helps with customization. So the way you change your profile is right now, that one white light means I'm obviously on profile 1. To change your profile, all you gotta do is tap this button right here. Boom. You're on profile 2, profile 3, and then they give you the default profile, which means if you have no profile on, it goes by whatever like game you are currently playing. So it's easy, it's simple. So first, I'm gonna probably set up on profile 1. So that's what I'm gonna leave it on profile 1. I'm gonna leave it plugged in, and I'll show you guys now how to set up the paddles and your buttons the way. Don't follow me. I'm setting it up for the way I play Call of Duty, for example. So that's the way I'm doing my paddles. So here we are. Controller is done updating. All you gotta do is go to your Xbox accessories setting. And as you can tell, see, it says default 1, 2, 3, all that nonsense. All you want to do is configure. You want to hit that configure. You can change your profile right here, whichever one you want to work on. Like I said, I am going to work on my first one. So here we are. This is how you set your profile up. As you can tell, it says Call of Duty and Fortnite down here. So what this means right here is it saved my profiles, my settings from my other controller, which is dope. That's easy. But for this example, I'm not going to just do that because you guys aren't going to grasp exactly what to change the buttons to or how to change them. So, your paddles. If you want to customize your paddles, you can even customize your regular buttons. All you got to do is click on the button you want to change, go to primary, and they give you a list of everything you have. Every button you can put there. So, for me though, let's say since I'm playing Call of Duty, if I play Call of Duty, I like to make my closest paddle to my middle finger, ring finger on my right hand. I like to make that my dash. Well, not my dash, my slide. So if you're a Call of Duty fan, you know your slide button is the right stick click. So you click it like that. Right stick click, and boom. Say, as you can tell is on your screen right there, that is what happens now when I press that paddle. Like I said, you can also customize any of your other buttons. This is really good for, I believe, games like Fortnite, and this really helps on Call of Duty to me, because I use my right paddle as slide, my left paddle right here as my jump button. So that's A. Obviously A's usually jump in every game. I usually change my melee. My melee's on my right hand as well. So that is how you change your buttons on the Xbox controller Series V2. So if you guys have any questions, leave a comment. If this helped you at all, please hit that subscribe button. All support is appreciated. If you're wondering if it's really worth the money to buy the controller, I think it is. Yes, it is kind of expensive, but I mean, like I said, if you get a good controller the first time, it's well worth the money. There's also warranty, so if you're wondering oh well, this guy bought 2 controllers and it wasn't worth the first one, I'm wording it wrong. There is warranties. You can contact Microsoft. They're normally really helpful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little box opening tutorial on your Series V2. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you leave a like. leave a comment, subscribe, stick around to the channel. I'll probably do more unboxings. I have a PC coming in I'll probably do an unboxing for. Otherwise, you know, if you like Call of Duty, Fortnite, Fall Guys, scary games, random nonsense, subscribe. It's easy. It's free to subscribe on YouTube. If you also want to follow me on Twitch and Instagram, both are absolutely free. I will be starting to stream again. I will be doing fundraisers and giveaways and all that nonsense. So, Rampage Manor, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitch. And I'll see you guys in the next one.